This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Jeanne Mills. Just Bring Toothbrush. Beautiful 1-floor ranch/west. 3-bedroom and 2-bath. Private. Driveway parking. Convenient ramped front deck entry, or private entry. 6 to 12 MOS. Rent fully furnished, share utility costs, mountain and city views from porch. Minutes to downtown, shops, restaurants, and schools, hospital. Parks and local sites abound for great living. Lower level for landlord. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanne Mills at 706-218-4202.